Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. In this video, we're going to talk about some of the best two-ticket side hustles, high-ticket side hustles for 2022 and beyond. Very excited to bring you this video. We'll show you some documented proof of some of the payments that came in, and we'll go from there on the other side. Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. I'm extremely happy to bring you this video, guys. Go ahead and smash the like button, hit that like button, and the notification bell so when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Hey guys, my channel is about money-making opportunities and passive income ideas. Some of the best side hustles that are available today, and we want to bring them to you. Guys, right here, what you're looking at the prosperity. Well, not the prosperity people system. It used to be prosperity people system. Is now the leverage profit system. The leverage profit system, incredible program. I have a lot of reviews on the channel talking about the leverage profit systems. Just come to the channel. You can look around. And guys, also the Millionaire mailer. The Millionaire mailer, guys, continues to pay over and over and over again. Let's go quickly into some of the payments that came in, and I'll show you some of my thoughts, guys, on leverage wealth and what you can do to exponentially grow your income beyond your wildest imagination. And let me tell you what, folks, I tell you what, making income has never been this simple, guys. If you can mail a postcard, run some traffic to a site, guys, you can win in these programs. Here's a program that came in. I want to welcome Miss West to the program. Let's see what she sent in. TCL Marketing, Miss West. Okay, Miss West has joined the Millionaire Pro Stamp Club, and she sent in 40 stamps. We've got a stamp program, guys, to cut your cost for postage. Very excited about the stamp program, guys. If you want the stamp program, I'll put my email below the video. Just email me and request the stamp program. And this time, guys, we know that postage is like 58 cents per first class stamp. And what we do with this program here, if you send a certain amount of stamps to a certain amount of individuals, you can start receiving unlimited amounts of postage. Just mail that flyer, and that's how that flyer generates postage for you. Have something else here. We have welcome to the program. If you're watching the video, one of our members joined. This program, guys, is called the $20. Is a $20 money order. Keep that information out. That's $20 money order. $20 money order there for the $20 postcard cash machine. And I remember talking to this individual. If you're watching the video, we've got your $20 payment and getting it off to you back to Ohio. All right, welcome to the pro. I think it's I don't want to mess the name. Start with a T, and we'll leave it just like that. Over in Akron, Ohio. All right, welcome to the program. We've got that payment. Here is another payment here that came in. Let's see what this is. This is, okay, another stamp program. Got more stamps. 40 more stamps for, again, the Millionaire Pro Stamp Club. 40 more stamps. It's 80 stamps there. And we'll get that going. And guys, it's all you do. You be consistent. You do it over and over again. You mail your flyer, your stamp, and you just mail your stamp flyer back, with any program that you're in, whether it be Leverage Profit System, Millionaire Mailer, or any other program that you're currently working with. If you can show people how to generate a lot of stamps, at a much lower cost, it will resonate with people, and they will join you in the Millionaire Pro Stamp Club. The way that thing works, guys, it's got 4 levels of participation. You send 40 stamps to each person. And once you get started, you, again, mail that flyer. And every time somebody joins you, you get 40 stamps. Now, when that person joins you, they're going to get their flyer, and you're going to be in number 2 on their flyer. Every time they mail their flyer, you're going to receive 40 stamps in position number 2 and 3. Folks, this is for the life of the program through infinity. It is absolutely exciting to me. Very, very exciting times, guys. 2022 is going to be incredible. Here's another payment here for the Millionaire mailer. This is for a $100 money order. $100 came in here. Money order. And we're going to put that money order right to the side here. Welcome to the program. Let me see. Welcome to the program. Edward, welcome to the program. We got your payment. And Edward is putting in for not only for some extra mailings. We're going to do some extra mailings for Edward with All American Print and Mail. Guys, we've got a company that can print and mail your flyers. They will go out in the mail at a much cheaper cost than you can do it for yourself. When you join, we'll put all that information in your marketing kit so you'll know that we've got a company authorized to do print and mail for you. That is absolutely exciting. And he's sent in and he's having extra mailings done for the Millionaire mailer through that company that we recommend, All American Print and Mail. And we'll go from there. If you want to know more, guys, send me an email. I'll send you the link to the company. You can check it out even before you join. Very powerful. Very, very exciting. All right, guys, got some more proof here. We got a, I don't know what this here is. This is a certified, well, not certified, but priority mail. Let's see if we can get this thing tore into. Okay. Welcome to the program, Fred. I know this was coming. Fred sent in a Millionaire mailer, another Millionaire mailer, guys. This thing is on fire. Welcome to the program, Fred. Fred sent in another $100 money order for the Millionaire mailer. Guys, this program's been in operation for 8.5 years. And this thing could run the next 10, 15 years. We're just scratching the surface as to where we're going. This thing produces results over and over and over and over and over again. We're experiencing so many signups in the Millionaire mailer. It is unbelievable. And guys, when you sign up, your name goes in the number 1 position, and all you do is mail a simple flyer and or postcard, and then you're off to the races. Could not be easier, guys. The Millionaire mailer is just absolutely rocking and rolling. And very excited about that Millionaire mailer. Mr. Fred, welcome to the program. Fred, Mr. Moore, no, it's actually Morris, and his last name is Fredberg. Welcome to the program. Very powerful. All right, guys, I've got one more. Let's keep going. Just payments over and over again, guys, and this is just, again, not to impress you, but to impress upon you what is possible in these programs and how we're doing it. Could not be more excited about it. Guys, great things are happening, and we're moving forward through in these programs. Very exciting times are up ahead for those that are locking arms with us and moving forward in the programs. Got one last big payment here. Let's see what this is. Ripped it open. This is, okay, guys, this is another Millionaire Pro Stamp Club. Millionaire Pro Stamp Club. Miss Jones joined us in the program. She sent the 40 stamps, guys. Another 40 stamps. She's in the program. Welcome to the program. So, guys, there you go. There you go. Absolutely powerful Millionaire mailer. When you get a chance, guys, check out this link. Walk around the site. Become familiar. So when you get a chance, come look at this video. We have video proof about what the Millionaire mailer has done. And it contains the proofs, guys, over and over again. You can earn $25, $50, $100, $250, $500, even $1,000 cash payments. And it works over and over again. Guys, how to get started. You come down, you download the flyer. We got a 1-page flyer here, guys. Very, very exciting times, guys. And you can choose whatever level of participation. Whatever level that you want to participate in, you can choose. You can choose any of these levels and get started. Here are our members. You want to talk to any of our members, Mary Beth, Reverend Wilson, Krista Curry, and they'll help you, or the person that referred you to the program, however you got in front of this information. $1,000 money order proof here, guys. And it's just proof as to what this thing continues to pour out a lot of payments. Now, guys, if you have any questions, you can feel free to contact me. Person referred you. You can even get a hold of Mary Beth. Here's her information, and you can contact her on Facebook, or you can give her a call or an email. She'd be more than happy to get you started. Guys, I'll tell you what, I could not be more excited about what we've got going on with the programs. Now, the Millionaire Mailer will be a great side hustle for 2022. Our products, guys, is going to be, you're going to get a marketing kit. In the marketing kit, you're going to have leads, resources, how to get started, instructions, complete instructions. We're going to host a conference call for you. Again, all of that, and the mail report, all that's going to be in your product package, your marketing kit. And you can utilize a real-world product that you can be proud of and that can help you grow your income exponentially. Folks, if you're on a job struggling, there is no need to struggle today. We've got systems, we've got processes you can plug in, and you can be successful from the comfort of your home. Leverage Profit System, guys, is going to be another high-ticket program that we're going to utilize in 2022, another side hustle. That this thing, guys, continues to rock and roll. I've got verifiable documented proof, guys. Another payment came in here, another 4-figure day came in here right here on my channel, and got several proof videos, guys, of what that program's done. It's going to be a great program for 2022 and beyond. The products are second to none. They're downloadable digital products that helps you with your mindset, your thinkability, help make you a better entrepreneur. This is exciting times, guys. When you get a chance, click the link below the video. There will be links below the video. You can check out all these systems, and you can make an informed decision. 5, 1, 2, or 3, and we'll get you going into these systems. Very excited. Now, guys, if you want to join like 2 at one time, you join the Leverage Profit System. We'll work out something for the Millionaire Mailer with you. Give you a special, maybe let's say a Black Friday special or something to help you out with the Millionaire Mailer, provided you join this system. And we'll go from there. Or again, folks, you choose whatever, you get in where you fit in, get a comfortable level, check out the products, check out the service, check out the value. If it makes sense to you, you partner. And guys, start changing your life today with you and your family. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up, guys. Bye for now. Until the next video. Great side hustles for 2022. We're getting ready to leave out of 21. We got 2 more months left into 2022. Great times are up ahead. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video. You need to get a hold of me, guys. My information will be below the video. Text me, email me, or either call me.